Good afternoon to all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Y Nagesh, I am manager of Midhani, Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, a Miniratna company under Ministry of Defence. So the company at a glance, we are a Miniratna company based in Hyderabad. We have 800 plus permanent employees and more than 600 contract workers working in our factory. Last year we achieved a sales turnover of 813 crores, and we have all our systems are accredited with ISO certification, AS 19100 2016, and all our labs are enable accreditation. So our main unit for the manufacturing of metallurgical unit for superalloys, titanium and special steel is located at Kansanbagh, Hyderabad. We have one more unit at Rohtak, Haryana, which is specifically for the armoring, life vest, vehicle armoring, helicopter armoring, etc. Also, we have one more unit coming up in Nellore, which will be for the aluminum manufacturing facilities. For this, Midhani and Nalco has already ventured into a joint venture, and further proceedings are going on. So, we have more than 40 years of metallurgical and manufacturing expertise. We focus on high value differentiated products used in demanding and niche products applications. Midhani as of now has developed more than 500 grades of special steels, titanium and nickel alloys, and we are 100% make to order company. So let me take you to the history of Midhani. Midhani was incorporated on 1973, and commercial production was started in 1983. So in 2004 turnaround in terms of commercial things has happened, and we are giving profit since then continuously, and we are getting the excellent rating from the ministry from last 10 years. In 2008 we are given a Miniratna category 1 status. In 2018 Midhani is converted into a public limited company through IPO, where 26% of our shares were traded at stock market at a value of 434 crores. In 2018 we booked the highest ever profit of 198 crore. In 2019 we achieved the highest ever value of production of 815 crore and the highest ever order booking of 1840 crores. 2019 we also became among the best market value created company in India, where our shares has increased more than 50% from the issue price. And last year, even though in the period of COVID we achieved the highest ever sales of 813 crores. So Midhani is mainly into the manufacture of superalloys, titanium alloys and special steels. We are the only company in India who are manufacturing titanium from the sponge, all the superalloys such as nickel base, copal base, iron base from the nickel sponge and cobalt sponge and everything. So our manufacturing starts from the scratch. So we produce all the shapes and size of products, from the ingots to plates, rods, wires and specialized products. So this is the glimpse of manufacturing facilities available at Midhani. We have all the sets of variety of melting facilities available in one roof, such as electric arc furnaces, vacuum induction melting furnaces. Then for the secondary melting we have vacuum arc melting furnaces, electroslag refining furnaces, vacuum induction refining furnaces. So this is the only company in India which is having this wide range of melting facilities, and that too specialized vacuum melting facilities. So the general steels are manufactured through the blast furnace and all that, but all my Midhani facility is vacuum melted, so that it is very pure and means which the quality is required in our aerospace as well as other nuclear applications. So after melting we have the 1500 forge press and also the biggest press in India, which is 6500 ton press. We have ring rolling mill, and then and the lower end we have the bar rolling mill, sheet rolling mills, etc. So coming to quality assurance, all the labs of Midhani are enable accredited, such as chemical labs, mechanical test lab, metallography, NDT, and also physical property evaluation. So these are the accreditation which Midhani has received as of now. We have ISO 9001 2015 certification, AS 9100 2016 certification, Director General of Aeronautical Quality Assurance, Director General of Civil Aviation, Director General of Quality Assurance, Department of Space and Department of Atomic Energy. So these are our major customers. Biggest customer is Space, where all the casing and all the material to our PSLV and GSLV is supplied by Midhani. So as I even confirmed that last year we received an order of 1,800 crores. Out of that, more than 1,000 crore was from Space. So the second biggest customer is Defense, including BDL. So all the material, most of the material required for our missile systems were supplied by Midhani. Then we are supplying material to our nuclear reactors, DAEs, BRC. We are the major vendors to our nuclear submarine programs, and also to the army we are supplying the tank materials, gun barrels, and also now presently we are into the bulletproof jackets, vehicle armoring, etc. So now coming to the vendor development initiatives. So Midhani is focusing on increasing our vendor base every year. So for that we are taking many initiatives, such as we are conducting many vendor meets, we are participating in vendor development programs across the country. As of now we have approximate 2,500 vendors registered in Midhani. Also for the new vendors who are interested in supplying material to Midhani, they can visit our website, and under Make in India, all the materials which are available for purchasing, import substitute material are available. So as of from last 3 years, we are adding 200 vendors per year. So the new vendors can visit our Midhani. Under vendor registration, they can download our forms, they can fill in all the details, and they can submit required detail to our vendor cell for the assessment. So the on-site auditing can also be done wherever is required, and after complete assessment we will give you the vendor registration certificate. So now coming to the support to MSCs, Midhani, for all the manpower contracts presently were reserved for the MSCs by Midhani. Also some annual maintenance contract and job works were also reserved for Midhani. As sir has also said, Midhani is also giving purchase preference to MSC vendors. So in case the MSC vendors fall under L1 plus 15% margin, so 20% of the order value can be given to them in case they match the L1 price. So MSCs are also exempted from the submission of EMD, where they don't have to submit any EMD to Midhani tenders. So apart from the supplying spares and raw materials and all that, Midhani is also looking for the MSC vendors to be a partner in our business. So where now we are looking forward to MSCs to contribute to Midhani in running our existing facilities and the new coming facilities. So one of such a facility is like spring manufacturing plant, which is being set up in Midhani at the cost of approximate 40 crores. So we want to run that plant in collaboration with MSCs. So who has the technical expertise, we can give the complete contract to run that plant to the MSCs. Along with that, one more, the white plate mill to the which is costing around 500 crores is being set up, which is expected to be operational this year. So there also we are expecting MSC vendors to come up to run this plant for Midhani. So apart from this, we have huge demand for the aerospace fasteners, flow forming for motor casing, and also the nickel plating required for various products. So we are also looking after the MSC vendors to come up for the manufacturing of various raw materials which are now presently not available in India. So if any vendor comes up, they will get the good incentives of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat announced by Government of India. So apart from that, there are many capital equipments which we are procuring continuously, such as copper crucibles, hot working press, gearbox, rotor pumps, rotary pumps, as such. And the outsourcing jobs such as conversions and machining are the regular part of our business, where the forge and machine billets can be converted into seamless tubes, bar forge and ground billets into wire rods, and the similar. So thank you, that's it.